Hi guys, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video we're going to discuss about few last minute important tips for your SLAT exam. And you know very well that many students have started their preparation overall from 1 month back, and some have already started from many months back, and some from many years back, and some just recently have started. So for all the people from all the three categories which I just mentioned now, you all are in the same category, and all the tips and strategies which I'm going to tell you now is going to help you a lot. So kindly make sure that you watch the video from first to last and get the essence of this video such that it can help you a lot with your preparation. So the first important tip which I would like to share is that please stop learning any new fundamental topic. The first tip is please stop learning any kind of new fundamental topic. Why? Because now it's a time for you to basically focus in the areas whichever you know. So if you just study something new now, right, there wouldn't be much capacity for your brain to just restore everything. Okay, so it's very important. It's suggested that please don't study any kind of new fundamental topics. Second important tip which I would like to share is that revise, revise, revise. Guys, this is the master key for you to just get well marks for your exam, because many students have just started their revision or preparation from very long time and they don't revise. Okay, that's the main reason why they get less marks or why they don't even clear SLAT exam. It's very simple. So make sure that whatever you have studied, please do revise every day. Trust me, that's going to help you a lot with your preparation. And the third important step is master your area of weakness. Third step is very simple. Master the area of weakness, which means that, guys, whichever area you're feeling that it's very much difficulty, just focus a little more, put yourself a little more hard work on those areas and keep on working it. For example, if it's logical reasoning, for example, if it's about reading comprehension, vocabulary, anything in specific, make sure that you give your best heart and soul towards that particular area. At least just do 5 to 10 questions every day on it. That would be better and very peaceful. Okay, trust me, just keep on doing that. And the fourth important tip, which is very much important, which many students just miss out, is about please do practice mock test papers. Okay, practice every day at least 2 to 3 mock test papers every day. Trust me, this step is going to help you a lot. Why? While practicing a mock test paper, you'll be able to keep a track of your speed limit. You'll be able to analyze what is your speed limit and where exactly can you grow. Okay. The second important tip is you'll be able to learn the art of time management. You have just 60 questions if I'm not wrong. And what you guys do, be prepared very well. You be very slow answering to every question. At last, you will be not able to complete the entire paper. Okay, I've heard that you have just 1 minute for every question. So how are you going to complete everything? If you want to complete everything, learn the art of time management, and that is only possible by keep on practicing with your mock test papers. With your continuously at least 2 to 3 mock test papers, take it every day and this please do solve it. Okay, and next important aspect while you practice with the mock test paper is that you'll be able to understand which is your area of your strength and which is the area is of your weakness. So strength, you don't need to give that much preparation for it. If you want, you can just give a glance on it, but focus in the area of your weakness. So if you understand one particular areas of your weakness with the help of your mock test papers, so make sure that you practice on that area a little more, practice a little more bit about it. Many students don't do that. That's the reason they don't are not able to clear the SLAT exam. So make sure that you focus in the area of your weakness. That will play a very important role. And the next important tip which I would like to tell you is that, which comes along with the practice the mock test paper, is that analyze the paper very well. Guys, after you complete any kind of mock test, you'll be able to get different kind of variety of questions. That's a good idea. There are many free availability source of mock test papers for SLAT. Just do that every day 2 to 3, and once you do it, analyze very carefully. Some students just do it for the sake of doing and they finish it. Okay, there is no point of doing that. Once you do any kind of mock test paper, analyze it very clearly. Okay, very simple. Analyze it, see where exactly you're making mistake, and then practice on those particular areas, and then just recall, revise continuously. That would be more than enough. Okay, and the next important tip which I would like to tell is about general knowledge. Guys, reading general knowledge is very important. Many students doesn't do this, and this is the main reason why students struggle in the interview. So for your Symbiosis Law School interview which I'm just conducting for students, like I conduct mock interviews for students. So if you are interested, you can also get in touch with me. I've just provided my link below in the description box. I've even provided my email ID and Instagram ID. You can get in touch with me at any point of time. If you want a mock session, mock interview with me, I will be glad to help you out. There are many students who have just taken up my help and they're able to clear it out. I'm really happy for that. So make sure that if you also want an opportunity to have a mock session with me, I've just provided all my details in my website link below. You can book a mock sessions with me. And answering to that particular question, why I'm asking you guys to focus on specific to general knowledge is that, see, many students, they don't focus in the general knowledge, as that they get very less marks, and not only getting less marks in the mock test, but also they don't prepare very well for the interview, because the general aspect of both static as well as the current affairs is not very well prepared by them. So this is the reason why they are not able to perform very well for the interview. So prepare very well for your SLAT exam itself. It's an indirect way preparation for your interview. So there would be no negative harming in that particular factor for that. And the last important tip which I would like to share is that there is no negative marking, guys. It's a very big advantage for you all. So make sure that you attend the paper overall, give your best, attend for every question, okay? And make sure that you don't go up with the inky pinky formula method, no. And just put your heart and soul, just work for 2 to 3 days, and don't bombard yourself with stress. And if this is your brain, don't bombard it by giving much information. Capsule whatever is possible, eat whatever is on your plate, and absorb whatever is possible for you to digest in a well context way. So I hope you guys understood what I just gave an example. Don't just bombard with continuous information without revision. There is no point of it. Whatever you have in your plate, consume that. Then if you want, you can go up with the next external sources. So this is the last important tip which I want to share. All the best, wish you good luck, and when you get your result, please do let me know. I'll be glad to know out your result. And if you want mock interview sessions with me, just provide all the details in the description box. Get in touch with me, I'll be glad to help you out. Goodbye, wish you a wonderful day. And if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I do forget to tell this, so many students, if you do like it, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of doubts, just put it up in the comment box, and I'm there to help you out. Don't worry, throughout your preparation I'm there, and trust me, any kind of help you want, just be free to ask me. I'm always open-minded to help students like you. You are much more talented. Whoever is watching this video, you have taken much kind of your time, effort to watch. That means that you are looking out for something in specific. So I'm there to help you out. Just be open, and I'll be always there to help you out. Goodbye.